The pallet repair technician takes damaged pallets sent from our customers and returns them to service-ready condition before consolidating and shipping them back to the customer. Must achieve expected production requirements while maintaining a clean and safe working environment, while also maintaining 48forty Solutions' core values and safety standards. The role of the pallet repair technician is to construct and deconstruct pallets in a safe manner while achieving efficiencies that return 300 to 400 pallets to working condition in a given shift. The technician will remove broken deck boards and/or stringers and utilizes appropriate tools and methods to return damaged pallets to service-ready condition. Communicates directly with shift lead and/or onsite or plant manager. Examining products after repairing to verify conformance to quality standards. New technicians must be very comfortable operating tools used to complete repairs, including but not limited to nail gun, manual and electric saws, hammer, grinders, lathes, wire brushes. 48forty Solutions is excited to welcome new team members to the plant every day.